Hi there, villagers. Do you ever have days where you don't see the postman for days and days and days, and then all of a sudden you're inundated? Today, while I was at work, my husband texted me twice to say, I've just taken a package. I've just taken a package. I feel like Postmaster General. Well, let me show you why. This has arrived from Canada for Charlotte. Something she's brought from Oceania, the label. This is a replacement pair of trainers because one of them's mysteriously gone missing and we have the other shoe but not the right one, which is weird. And this is an anniversary present for my parents. We had it sent here so that we could keep track of it. This package is a set of bras I've found advertised on Facebook that looked very comfy, and mine all just started breaking the other day. And this big box, which is surprisingly large for what I think is going to be inside, is an Amway package. A lady from church does Amway, and they have some very nice tasting snack bars as meal replacements. None of the milkshake business, something crunchy that makes you think you've eaten something. So shall we open all these packages together? So we'll start with this Amazon package. These black trainers are the sort of thing that you don't know are useful until you go to put one on and realise you can't find the other one. Black trainers that are slightly big for me but fit Charlotte. There we go. Very useful for nearly everything because you can just slide your foot straight in. And when choir performed the other day, I didn't realise I was supposed to wear black shoes until I was already on the way to the gig in silver grey trainers and got into trouble for being accidentally on the front row in the wrong coloured shoes. So we have those back now. Mum and Dad, if you're watching this, please skip. Comically, the company we bought this from is called Johnny's Sister, and one of my brothers is a Jonathan, so we think that's really funny. Oh, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but it does mean it'll transport in the car very well. Wedged in really well, I can't get it out. Oh, that's lovely. Clearly we're going to be drowning in paper. So it comes with little feet that go on either short end. Isn't that pretty? That is really pretty. So that can go back in the box because that's got to get transported to Cornwall when we go in the summer. Not sure when you're going to see this video, so we may have been and gone by then. The rest of my household are going to want to see that, so we've got to leave it not completely packaged up. Okay, next one. So I ordered this several weeks ago and it's taken a little while to come. They keep sending me emails to track the progress of my order. And once it was in the UK, it came quite quickly. It seems to have come in from China. nice zip-locky bag. So the company's called Comfit, C-O-M-F-I-T. Oh, with a code for 20% off if I want to order some more. Do you want to see them? So they are like a deeper gusset round the middle and deeper straps and no clasps. So they're meant to be very comfortable and not have anything that's going to dig in you, and no underwire. So I will let you know how they progress. So I bought a pack that had a black one, a silver one, and a sort of beigey flesh coloured one. Let's see how we get on, whether they wash and don't warp or anything in the wash, because that's what I'm particularly worried about. And finally, this massive great big box. Nick was surprised at how big this is, because it's meant to have two smaller boxes inside. With 14 bars in each. And the box has got to be about 75 centimetres long at least. So it seems very... How much shredded paper is going to be in here, do you reckon? Enough to refill the recycling bag this week. It is mostly paper. Where's my stuff? Do you want any recycled paper? It is an enormous box for the size of the contents. Still taking out paper. Tropical. And dark chocolate. About the same length as the box. But proportionally speaking, that was a lot of paper. The lady at church gave me one of the tropical ones to try. Otherwise you can't see me now. There we go, that's better. Let's move you a bit. She gave me one to try a little while ago, and they were surprisingly nice. You always kind of think of these things as being yucky or necessary to eat, but really you'd rather eat something else. So I thought I'd give these a go. I'll let you know how I get on. And the only other thing is a package for Charlotte, which I really shouldn't open because it's not addressed to me. But she was spending some of her birthday money on a couple of bits from Oceana, the label, where she already has a dress from. You've probably seen her in a little slightly negligee looking dress that at my age I couldn't get away with, but because she's 14 and slim, she can get away with it. I don't think we'll have any post now for probably a week or more, because we don't tend to have post most days of a normal sort. And clearly this many boxes all arriving from, I'm not sure about these. The bras came in from China. Charlotte's package came from Canada. The Amazon packages were within the UK. It's a lot to coordinate to get them all here on the same day, and we didn't do it on purpose because some of them have been weeks in the coming. So that might be it for now. So welcome to a random day in my life. Good night.